Okay, so we're out for one of our customers and they want a filter change, humidifier pad change, run through the furnace, but I already did that. But now I'm down to the filter change, and that filter is always a pain in the butt. It is the Carrier, old school Carrier. It's like the April Air. And it takes an accordion filter. And I gotta change the humidifier pad. I gotta change the humidifier pad here. Carrier small bypass. When you put these pads in, there's a right and a wrong way. Paint strip's always up. Don't put it in like this. Don't put it in like this. Don't put it in upside down. Paint strip up. Good to go. Alright, so get this filter out here. It's actually not really dirty, but I haven't replaced it in, I think, 2 years. No, a year. I'm usually out here. Usually out here every year for the last 2 years. I'll take these out. Be careful with your combs, don't break them. I don't even think you can get them anymore. I don't know off the top of my head. I'll slide it out. And we'll slide the new one back in. Let me see. So I like doing this on the floor because I can rest it, the new filter on the floor, and kind of slide it in. And I do struggle with this like everyone else does. So I kind of tip it up like this and just one by one put it in the slot. And I'll get so far and I'll let it down. Change you over to the head strap here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. So as you can see, I got it laying on the floor. And that one's not. Sometimes the filters don't want to cooperate too well. I just kind of get it in each slot. Spread it out a little more. And slowly press it in. It's just like, you gotta do it, man, because these things are royal pains in the butt. They're just like actually I find these easier to do than the April airs. Believe it or not. Like the 2200 and the 2400 April airs. Not the best lighting down here. And whittle her in there. There we go. And then you take it and there you go. Takes practice, practice. You line your combs up. Usually what I do, I get all the combs right together in one spot, and then I just move them down. Like that. It's not agreeing with me. Come on. Little rivets are catching the cardboard. There. There. Oh, that one's broken. You know, even though these are a super pain in the butt, these are extremely good filters. Oops, wrong one. MF, that's what we call them. Now, airflow towards the furnace. There we go. Put the door back on and you're good. We still have a lot of these filters in the area. A lot of people have changed over to straight up 4-inch media cabinets, and that's kind of what we do now. Take these filters out because people like them and then they hate them because they're a real pain to put together, and filters are kind of hard to find. They're not at Home Depot or Lowe's. People look for convenience. They don't look at the dealer anymore, unfortunately. So, you know, mainstream is 4-inch filter cabinets now. That's what everyone likes. So everything's getting away from this, but if you still have it, I would keep it. If you still can get filters for it, it's an extremely good filter. Can't say anything bad about it other than filters are hard to find. Alright guys, that was just a quick, you know, hey, we're putting a filter in, humidifier pad, showing you how to not fight with those 2400, you know, Aprilaire 2400, 2200s, and the Carrier 31MF. So we're just going to button this back up. And we're done with this one. I will see you on the next one.